This is experiment number 3, that is 8 puzzle game using heuristic search. In this problem, we are given with the initial state. Initial state is nothing but the 3 by 3 matrix which contains the elements from 1 to 8, which are ordered randomly, and which contains a empty stack, that is blank stack. And we have to achieve a goal state which contains numbers in a sequence manner, that is called as 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and the
So
blank state. Here 8 puzzle is a game where we have to arrange entire numbers in a sequence, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and the blank state. uh, i- in a 3 by 3 matrix, initially tiles may not be in a sequence, so we have to check where is a blank tile, and we can swap blank tile with the adjacent slide tile, sorry. After switching or swapping is done, we have to check whether we have to reach the goal state. If the game end, uh, huh, we can define edge, that is heuristic value, which is equal to the number of tile in a correct place. This will keep track far we are away from our goal. In case of goal state, the heuristic value will be 8. So my approach to solve this problem is to define to find out the childrens of each state, and repeat the process until we reach a goal state. So here, this is the initial state of our 8 tiles, and there are 3 values associated with the it. First is G, which represents level of the node. If here the level of node is 0, then the second value is H, which is the heuristic value, which is equal to 3. That is the number of elements present in the tile at the current place, which is only 1 2 3 1 2 and 3, and therefore the value of H is equal to 3, and the value of is nothing but the addition of G plus H, that is the level of the low plus the heuristic value, which is equal to 3. So here there are some possibilities to swap the empty tile with the adjacent tile, and according to that swap, there are 3 childrens of this node at level 1. So the G value of all these childrens is equal to 1, and then we check the children is select we select the children having F value lesser, that is here F value is 5, here F value is 3, and here it is 5. So we have selected this one because it is having F value is less than lesser. So we repeat the same process, and we calculate the childrens of this children, and here we also, this is we selected children that is whose F value is less, and we repeat this process until we reach out the goal state, that is when we having H value is equal to 8. So let's start with the program of this problem. Here I am getting the object of puzzle class, that is and I am calling the puzzle class by passing the value 3. 3 is nothing but the size of the uh, because we are using 3 by 3 matrix, that's why we are passing 3. So here is the class puzzle, uh, yes, here, and here is the constructor. So what does the purpose of this constructor is to initialize the value of n, that is the size, and to initialize the two empty lists which are open and close. I will explain this use of this open and close list afterward. Uh, After creating the objects, we are calling a process method on that object. So here is the process method of for that children for that method. Here we first first ask to the user to enter the initial matrix, and for that we are calling accept method of the same class. So here is that method, accept method. What we are doing here is we initializing a empty list, that is pus, and and we are accepting a matrix and stored it in a temp, that is uh, so for I in a range 0 to n, that is it will run from 0 to 3. Here we are accepting a row 0 and storing in a temp variable, which is also itself a list, and then we are appending that list to the pus list, and we are returning the result. So the start will contain initial state, and then we are asking user to enter the goal state matrix, and we are again calling the accept method and stored it in a goal variable. The next step is to create the node, that is a root node for a game. For that we are calling a node class and passing this start matrix to it. So so he, node so here is a node method which is having a constructor which accept three values: data, level, and fval of that particular root, that is the g of that is the level, and f value for that tile node. So after initializing these three values, we are returning in a node. So here is that node, and I'm passing the values as 0 and 0, that is the f value is 0 and the level of the root node is 0, that's why we are passing 0 comma 0. So after that we are calculating f value for that particular node and assigning f value for that particular node. So here is that method to calculate the f value, and here it is. So it calculates the h of x plus g of x. So here is h of x, that is the heuristic value for that particular data, and then the start level, that is the level uh, of that particular root. So here is we calling h method to calculate the heuristic value, and here is that method. So what we are doing here is we calculating the different between the given puzzle. So we are initializing a temp is equal to 0, and we are looping through that particular loop, and if that particular root of I of j is not equal to goal of state of I of j, and which is not equal to an empty style, then we initializing the temp is equal to 1, or we incrementing the temp variable. So basically what we are doing here is we are checking that how many values are not the correct place according to the goal state, and we are returning that value, and we are adding that value with the level of that node and returning that value. So here now we have done with the initialization of f value of start. Then here comes into the picture of open place. Here we are appending a start root, that is the root node, in a open list. Then while true, we are performing this particular action. So here we are storing a root which is present at the 0th index of open in a current, and print if, and it is just formatting, uh, and we just printing the current state. After this after printing this line which represents the different levels for that particular. Then if the difference between the node and current node and the goal node is 0, then we have reach the goal node, that is if the heuristic value of that particular data and the goal is equal to 0, then break, and will break the loop. Otherwise we will continue for the other process. We are generating a children for that particular root node. That means we are generating this childrens for that particular uh, for that we are calling a method generate child. So here is that method here. So here is that method generate child. So determining the location of blank style, for that we have uses the method find. Here is that method find. So this specifically used to find the position of the blank space. So uh, we are checking if the any particular position blank tile is present, then we are returning that value of I and j. So here now we are having a value of x and y, that is the location of the blank state. So and then they are creating a list. I am initializing val list as move. So where the value list contains a position value moving the blank in either of the four direction, that is for x comma y minus 1, this is for up, x comma y plus 1, this is for down, x minus 1 is comma y is for left, and x plus 1 comma y is for right. So here I am initializing the children, that list, empty list. So we are iterating that particular value is this is. So first I will contain x comma y minus 1, that is the position for up. So here we are calling the shuffle method to swap that particular style to the up. So here is that method shuffle. So to move the blank space in the given direction, first checking the so first we are checking the limit for the moving a blank state. While calling this method we are passing certain arguments to it. First is the data to which we have to perform the swap, x comma y. This is the location of the blank tile and the location at which we have to move that particular tile. So puzzle x comma y1, x2 comma y2. So we are checking is limit x2 is greater than equal to 0 and x2 is less than length of that particular data, and y2 should be greater than equal to 0, y should be less than length of the data, that is 3. So when we are initializing a temporary puzzle empty tiles with the given then we are simply swapping the empty style with the given x2 y2 and then returning the temp pulse resultant, and that is the resultant matrix. And if it is not possible, then if it is condition this condition is false, then we simply return none. So if the child is not equal to none node, then we are creating a node by using creating the node class, where we are passing actual child along with the level of. For now initializing the equal to 0, and then we are appending that particular child node in a children node with children play, and then end we are returning the children. So now here we are and where array towards the individual childrens of that particular node. So here as we have while creating children of that particular node to call f value, so we need to initialize assign a proper value. For that we have call a f value for that particular I value, that is particular value, and then the second argument as a goal. After that it will call
After
the
that, we
f
are
value and return the after that we are pushing the particular children in a open list. And also because we have already performed the operation, that is we have already calculated the possible children for that particular node, and then also deleting that node from list. And then uh, we are sorting the open list based on the f value, that is the value that is the node having f value lesser will be at the 0th position. So in the next iteration you will have the current will be children of that particular node having a lesser f value, and this process will be repeated until. And first we got the goal state, that is the children having a 0 heuristic value. Then we will break the loop and the goal will be achieved. So let me execute this code. So here it is asking to enter the start state matrix, 1 to 1 space 2 space 3 space, uh, first row of that matrix, then the second row, that is let's say blank state, blank tile. For blank tile we are using the underscore symbol, then 4 6, then for third row 7 5 and 8. Enter. Now it is asking to enter the goal state, that is 1 to 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and the blank state, sorry. So after that here we are swapping the blank tile with the right, so the blank tile will come to the right and the 4 come to the left. After that then we have performed a blank tile swapping with the bottom, that's why blank time come to the bottom and the 5 come to the top. Then last it we have performed the swapping with the right element, so the 8 come to the left and blank tile comes to the right. And here as the heuristic value is 8, the loop will broken, and we have achieved the goal state.